Iraqi Dinar Revaluation. Major developments unfolding. What you need to know. Welcome back, everyone, to another exciting update on the Iraqi Dinar. If you've been following the latest developments, you already know that the situation is heating up. The exchange rate, economic reforms, and Iraq's financial future are all at a pivotal moment. While we are still waiting for official confirmation, all signs suggest that we are on the verge of something monumental. So let's dive into the details and uncover what's happening behind the scenes. The secrecy around Iraqi Dinar updates. Over the past few months, getting reliable information about the Iraqi Dinar has become increasingly difficult. Why? Many key players in the banking and financial sector are now under strict non-disclosure agreements, NDAs. This means they are legally bound to keep sensitive information confidential. However, despite the silence, we've been receiving reports of significant progress. Iraq has reportedly met all necessary obligations under Article 8 and Article 4 of the International Monetary Fund, IMF. But what does this mean for the dinar? Understanding IMF compliance and its impact on currency value. Being in compliance with these IMF articles is crucial for Iraq's economy. Let's break it down. Article 8 ensures that Iraq's currency policies are aligned with international standards, allowing it to engage in unrestricted foreign exchange transactions. Article 4 requires Iraq to maintain economic stability, financial transparency, and structural reforms. By meeting these requirements, Iraq is paving the way for a potential currency revaluation, RV. Many experts believe that Iraq's commitment to these reforms is a sign that a major shift in the dinar's value is imminent. Official confirmation, the World Bank's assurance. One of the biggest pieces of news recently came from Guru Samama, who reported that the Iraqi government has assured the World Bank of its commitment to implementing critical economic reforms. Why is this important? Because these reforms are directly tied to a possible exchange rate adjustment. This isn't just about minor economic tweaks. This could be a game changer for Iraq and anyone holding the Iraqi dinar. Multiple sources suggest that the final preparations for this exchange rate announcement are already underway. Meetings are being held in secret, and the Iraqi government, along with financial institutions, is laying the groundwork for a smooth transition. Kurdistan's non-oil revenue, a new economic shift? Another major revelation comes from Guru Milli, who has been closely monitoring developments in Iraq's Kurdistan region. The Kurdistan region has long been dependent on oil revenues. However, there's growing speculation that non-oil revenues could soon become just as, if not more, important. If true, this shift could have profound implications for Iraq's financial future. By diversifying its revenue streams, Iraq is positioning itself for long-term economic stability, which would further support a stronger exchange rate for the dinar. Hidden clues in Iraq's budget. What they reveal about the dinar's future. One of the most intriguing updates comes from Mr. Sami, who claims that key information about the dinar's revaluation is buried within Iraq's budget tables. The numbers reportedly indicate an upcoming exchange rate change. The details have been tightly guarded, suggesting that Iraqi officials do not want this information leaked prematurely. Additionally, sources report that Iraqi banks have not issued any new loans or advances since the beginning of 2025. This may seem concerning at first, but in reality, it makes perfect sense. The banks are likely waiting for something big to happen, something that could completely transform Iraq's financial system. Many believe that the Central Bank of Iraq, Series CBI, is in the process of finalizing new financial controls and conditions. Once these measures are in place, banks will be able to release funds, signaling a massive shift in the economy. Discrepancies in exchange rates, a sign of change. Right now, we're seeing some unusual pricing trends in Iraq's financial market. The official exchange rate for electronic transactions and remittances abroad is 1,310 dinars per dollar. However, the cash selling price is significantly lower at 1,135 dinars per dollar. Why does this matter? This discrepancy suggests that the CBI may be preparing for a major exchange rate adjustment. The lower cash selling price could be an early signal of an impending revaluation. Predictions on the new exchange rate, what to expect. Several financial analysts and intel gurus have speculated on what the new exchange rate could look like. Guru Frank, 26's analysis. The dinar could revalue between $3.50 and $3.80. He predicts a managed float, meaning the exchange rate would increase by 10% daily. The value could eventually stabilize just below the Kuwaiti dinar, KWD. Alternative scenarios. The rate could start as low as 50 cents to $1 and gradually rise. Some believe the CBI will aim for a rate around $3.22, which was its value before the Gulf War. Forex listing and potential revaluation timing. According to Intel guru Marks, there's speculation that the Iraqi dinar could be listed on Forex as early as February 17, 2025. He claims that bond commissions have already been paid out on historic bonds, signaling movement in the financial sector. Several sources confirm that people are receiving spendable dollars, something that has never happened before. If bonds are indeed being settled, it could mean that the dinar is next in line for a major valuation shift. What this means for dinar holders. If these changes materialize, anyone holding the Iraqi dinar could see significant financial gains. However, it's important to stay realistic and manage expectations. 1. Wait for official confirmation. Many rumors circulate, but until the CBI makes an official announcement, nothing is guaranteed. 2. Be cautious of misinformation. Some analysts may exaggerate claims for personal gain. 3. Monitor government and IMF statements. Official sources like the World Bank, IMF, and CBI will provide the most reliable updates. Final thoughts. Are we on the verge of history? All the signs suggest that Iraq is preparing for a major financial transformation. With each passing day, we are seeing more evidence that the Iraqi dinar could experience a significant revaluation. Compliance with IMF regulations, secret government meetings, changes in Iraq's budget and banking sector, discrepancies in exchange rates. All of these factors point toward an imminent shift in Iraq's economy and the value of the dinar. As always, I'll keep you updated with the latest developments. If you found this information valuable, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you never miss out on breaking news. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. Let's keep the conversation going as we wait for what could be one of the most important financial events in modern history. Stay informed, stay ready, and let's see where this incredible journey takes us.